Tonight, this is quick and easy stuff.
It is.
But again, you got people sitting over staring at you.
They're starving.
Demanding food.
That's right.
They're getting pretty anxious over there. So what we're going to do is take our smoked turkey.
Okay.
Nice, beautiful smoked turkey.
Choppers.
Put in a handy dandy chopper.
So nice.
And we're going to take equal parts smoked turkey and some garden vegetable cream cheese. You can shop around and you can find cream cheeses with different flavors and different things in them.
How many scoops do you want of that?
Let's do about equal parts there.
All of it?
Yeah, what the heck.
Let's do it up.
All right, now let's put some chives in there.
Yum.
I want to see just what that does. Yeah, and a little bit of sour cream. Go ahead and put a little bit of sour cream.
About a scoop?
Yeah, scoop.
That much?
Yeah.
All right.
So we've got smoked turkey, chives, garden vegetable cream cheese. Now let's see where just that gets us. So we've got...
I do need to chop it a little more for you. What do you think?
That's pretty daggone good.
Do you want any ranch?
More chives. Let's put a little bit of ranch.
Tell me when.
That's good. Now you know you can make your own ranch and your own buffalo. And it's better than what you can buy at the store.
It is. You got to hotten it up, don't you? Just a pinch.
Just a tad.
Just a really little. Or put it all so you can eat it yourself.
Just a little buffalo in there. So far, so good.
You give it a try.
Let me try that with a cracker.
Is it good? Is it there?
I'm gonna let you be the judge.
All right.
Isn't that good?
That's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it out for you.
That's beautiful.
That's perfect.